Okay, so we've got some simple fractions here. I just want to keep on talking about this because it's not a subtlety exactly, but there's a couple of things you can do to make life easier for yourself. Let's just say you've got 0.12 equals. Well, we know it's 1/10 plus 2 hundredths, which equals 10 tenths, because 1/10 is 10 hundredths, plus 2 hundredths, which equals 12 hundredths. So as far as it goes, we've got 0.12 equals 12 divided by 100, and that's correct. I'm not arguing with that, but it can cancel, because we can say 12 over 100 equals 6 times 2 over 100 is 50 times 2. And then we can cancel the 2's. I'll use blue. So we can cancel the 2's, and that's 6/50ths. So straight away we've got a simpler fraction. 0.12 equals 6/50ths. You see, it's not got 100 in the denominator. So those are smaller numbers. Oops. Those are smaller numbers there, and that's a nicer way to think about fractions. It's 0.12 is 6/50ths. I'll give you a couple more examples. How about 0.55? Well, we can go through the steps, but we know it's 55 over 100, and of course that's going to cancel by 5 because we've got 5 times 11, 5 11s are 55, over 5 times 20, because 20 times 5 is 100, of course. So we'll cancel the 5's, and we are left with 11 over 20. So, just to recap, 0.55 equals all this stuff, which is 11 over 20. We've cancelled out a factor of 5 from the top and the bottom. And of course, if it's just 0.1, well, there's two ways of thinking about that. Let me do them both. 0.1, well, we can say it's 0.10 because adding a 0 there doesn't make any difference. So that equals 10 hundredths. And then we could cancel a 0 from the top and the bottom, I guess, to give me 1/10. Or I can say 0.1, well, we knew from the place value stuff that I did up here. Oh, here it is, from the place value stuff that I did up here. You see, here it is, the place value that we had in screencast, I think it was 11, with the different place values. So we can use that thinking here just to remind ourselves that 0.1 equals 1/10. And so we've got two distinct lines of logic that both take 0.1 equal to 1/10, either by going through this route here or by going through that route there. Okay, so I'm going to stop there.